So continuing with the tutorial, please subscribe to the channel so I can create more content for this. But now we have been playing around with the vector, but we haven't assigned anything. So let's try to assign something to another vector. For example, vector 2, it will be equal to vector 1. And let's play with vector 2 now, and let's put more. Okay, 3, sorry. And here we gonna copy these ones, for example, and then this one, and here, for example, we just gonna put 1. And here we can put this one, just to see how it works, nothing else. So now we run this the section. You can see here vector 2 started first with a hole. Let's try this to clear vector 2 and CLC. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, so now we have number 1, and you remember number 1, vector 1 is 10. Then we have the second one, it contains the whole vector 2, and you can see here we're replacing the values of vector 2 and it's changing the size right away. But there is something more that we can do with this. For example, this is what I want to show you now, is how we can use conditionals inside the vector. For example, vector 1, we want only the values that are, let's say, below 4. So vector 2 will contain the values from vector 1 which are below 4, or we can put equal, so we can include 4 also. So here this should be vector 1, remember. So here you can see vector 2 now only contain number 2. Okay, let's print vector 1 so we can see here. So the only that are below 4 is 4 and 2, right? Because we put the equal. So let's say we want to have the numbers greater than 10. So you can put here greater than or equal than 10. We play again, and now we have 10, 13, 25, 47, right? And let's see what happens if we do this only. For example, you see we are getting the values, but we are saving in vector number 2. Okay, so here, as you can see, the conditional, how it works is that you have the logical part. So 1 and zeros. Ones are the index, or the index that are that the condition is true, right? So here, for example, if we plot or we display vector 1, it's telling us that vector 1 condition more greater than equal to 10. We have the logical one here, that is 10. Then we have a logical one here, that is 13. Then we have logical 25, and then logical 47. So this is how MATLAB is working. It verifies one by one and give you a logical array, and with this logical array, the index, we assign it to the other vector. So now you know how to create a vector, to access the vector, to use this kind of syntax to get a specific part or the vector, and now you know how to use conditional in the vector. So if you like this video, please share the video, give comments, and subscribe to the channel.